I will present about report on the job training Department The Legend Star Park, Jawa Timur Park 3, Tarisha Deovaira. Jawa Timur Park 3, the background of the establishment of this education theme park is to create a technology theme park combined with music art, but not forgetting in this story so that it make it one Jati Park 3 area is one-stop family entertainment. And number 1, Dino Park, which present the concept of readings about unseen animals, namely dinosaurs, wrapped in technological sophistication. Visitor can hear various dinosaur sounds on the Dino Park ride. There are also attractions that can be enjoyed by families, namely Dino Museum, Road Bridge, The Jungle, Ice Egg, and Dino School. One of Dino Park highlight in the exploration of the 5 expos where there is a large train running through the area, and visitors listen to explanation of the 5 apples of dinosaurs. Number 2, Museum Musik Dunia, the history of museum from parts of the world from time to time. The concept is not only entertainment but also educates visitors with many tips of musical instruments around the world, such as China, Japan, Africa, and many more. Number 3, there is The Legend Star Park educational tour. In this section feature celebrity, statue, and historical or iconic sites such as the White House in the United States. There are many buildings around the world, including the White House, Taj Mahal, and Colosseum. At Legend Star Park, visitors can also travel around the world in one day. Due to foreign zones and regions such as South Korea, Japan, the Netherlands, England, and other zones, the Legend Star Park combines duplicate building with country-specific accessories to give visitors a sense of being in the country. Number 4, Fantech Plaza. After being infinite to travel around the world, learn about music in the world, now visitors are infinite to learn about technology again. Number 5, there is Have an Infinite World. This ride offers the concept of taking selfies with a background of many glass alloys and illusion like in an infinite room. That's why the name is Infinite World. The Legend Star Park, which has a recreational and educational concept in presenting hundreds of work figures from world figures and artists, as well as replica of iconic buildings of various countries the world. 10, Vehicle The Legend Star Park. Number 1, National Palace. The State Palace is the official residence and officer for the President of Indonesia. The White House. This area is a miniature White House in which there is also a replica of American President Donald Trump. Netherlands. Tourists can see and enjoy the atmosphere as if they were in the Netherlands, with unique and colorful miniature buildings can be a favorite of tourists who come to this area. One area. In this area, there is a miniature Majapahit kingdom that will create its own historical element for tourists who visit Santorini. The new building replaced the expensive Taj building before it. Next, Gladiator Colosseum. In this area, tourists can feel the sensation when they are in a miniature Colosseum in which there is a statue that seems to be at war. Hollywood star. Tourists can see wax figures of a number of the artists, including Brad Pitt, Julia Roberts, Tom Cruise, Angelina Jolie, and others. In addition to artists, in this zone there are also wax statues of sport figures ranging from Lionel Messi, basketball athletes, international tennis athletes, including golf world champion Tiger Woods, and boxing athletes Mike Tyson and Muhammad Ali. For sport figures present with photos as well as autographs. Some there are original props such as house and basketball Korea area. In this spot, tourists can see the background theme of the Korean country, such as the Korea Royal House, statue of 2 people wearing typical Korean clothing, and so on. Japan area, traditional Japanese building that are also intellect lanterns and display a wax statue of a woman wearing a kimono so as to make it seem as if visitors are in the Sakura country. In addition, in this area, tourists can also arrange Japan's kimono clothes if you want to take pictures like you are really like in Japan. China area. In this area, tourists can see replays of traditional Chinese halls, namely Si Huyan, which are about found in the east and south. Next, activities on the job training in the Legend Star Park area entrance and facilities in the State Palace area, so the cleanliness of the area is maintained and carry out the necessary cleaning. Provide information about its park entrance and about the area visitor in a friendly and informative manner. Cover visitor for the purposes of further ensure the visitor will pass through the entrance of the Legend Star Park with the correct ticket basket. Welcoming adults and children and being proactive is visitor pass through that area, offering to help with friendly photo taking. Direct visitor to the next area and remain depth of visit registration and recommendation with the park. Dino Park in the entrance area in charge of cleaning an entrance area. The main task in entrance area to inform Dino Park area regulation as well as help put on ticket bracelet to visitor. Assess checkpoint offers and recap the total number of visitors at 1 hour before closing, as well as helping officer to close the area. The museum area help direct visitor to the next route and helps document visitor in the Dino Park, as well as with visitor is anyone ask for help explaining some area. Dino Park Fantai Plaza is divided into the 3 areas, namely the entrance area, and area B. In the entrance, the outer cleans and prepare the area. The outer job in the entrance area is to provide information on Fantai Plaza and inform the rules of the Fantai Plaza area, as well as help on ticket bracelet to visitor. Assess checkpoint officer and recap the total number of visitors as 1 hour before closing. The task of outer and area and B is to prepare and turn on each playground equipment and direct these activities on the job training, informing and directing visitor to the next route, welcoming guests at the entrance of the Grand Palace, have visitor party card, wristbands. Next, consolation and suggestion. Consolation. The development of digital legend ticket is advancing the development of technology cameras, educational tools about world figure and replicas of historical places. Suggestion: complete maps per area and all area to make it easier for visitors to get a visualization of the place to be visited. Maintenance of facilities and events. Infrastructure such as elevator and escalator that are often problematic, making areas such as toilet area, prayer rooms, and ticket exchange point that area easier to see. In order to minimize complaint, pay more attention to indoor rights because summer it will feel hot.